Another Malakan Bia Kamal Kanwa online TV channel to con breaking news ray which ka Western Equatorial State taking it to Latichir Nying South Sudan to Shimon ko Shibos Kanak Gwas Matup Ken Yitin ka Gatin Conti la Gadwil Gorka agenda Bana Quen ka Jan Lerame Ken Kononium and Wale Shanka Dish ka Bakel Ron Kina Dangro with the Jandangro with the DH Kajo Masha Quen Guasame Wagnia Shigodwil Gorka ray which ka Tambura school in Tambura County ka Jilat ko Shibot Kanaka Lonka Western Equatorial State Minister of Education Jajalar no Tishia to whether running can got na Washikamon Tishia Dangro Ngay Dangro Chibos Kanak Kajo Mishalat Guasame Wim Shalka Grace Apollo Musa ka Western Equatorial State Wangye to Waken Shikamon Kaman Mon Ken Kaje Quick Kwan Ko Telekon Michigan Sham Kachanka Liu Waken Kan Kaman Kam Salar Nikin Ala Yutun Kon La Kapke Tichir Kajo Mishalat Chalad Ken Kakor Pesna Tungwan Chen Yuriam Kamke why you can check Tenakaron Chaga Kamke. According to the official, the teacher government employees have not received their salaries for over 1 year and 5 months. Can teacher to Panki and Shikate Karuan Mutu the Fed Dang they tell you to come back you to call Nakula Nikake. Shikuma South Sudan check a yo. She government South Sudan check a yo. Chetisha check a pay. A Canada Constitutional civil servant. Joe Dane shall lot me shange. Make conman shall a bull milk a pie joke. A Janaka Shang and Dangar one kapay joke run kin the Dangar and Dangar with the DHMA. They you de Cabre Wika South Sudan Kelu. Canada Conade Cup civil servant tenyetin te denitin te gangtin te latin ne dialtan content tere wika South Sudan kelu tiketin en ramlet kume wadere yoka dere ka ke tege jo macha kula lat ne ejen go shal ke bulmel ejen cha yu sha kare ke lo kap ke dunyo che to wonte ma ko Western Equatorial State lel teacher ki ngeten kon ngi ka gat el ke la mon ke tel kwan ke tel ke yu tele sol tele yurun kon ni kan tin la kula kap ke ngi ko dera andere kulo ka class boom point there wa tele kwan we had accident with that took place that day before yesterday in Tumbura, whereby 2 teachers were teaching in the class and they fell down conscious due to anger problem. And it is true that our teachers are suffering, say Musa. Kaning yeki ki teacher ken shushka lunga tel kwan ko ka Western Equatoria tel yuta kap ken ere kona la nge ken yiken kadwil gor kume me jo mashallah da ken. She added that the affected teachers were taken to hospital where they were diagnosed with severe malnutrition. Ken chaka nang redwil gor ka shwa jigno ken tel poindien tel jakon lo shikan wet tel pewte to poindien karande kuli chonga di mi jingi ketel kun mi chame la gwain randere mit kenya makene ngi kene jeto kajo mashallah re wika yambi ton chala do nene wa min yer ngeje lung wa telko tel yur kam ka ke re dor ken telekon ka kan to ngi ken shang ka wer ken shang top kan ngi kayo mishra no paga banaga ka je lo gor ke je no baja kap chong ka chicken kap ki yo mi jeng muteri na ma ken na ne alinga no te you to take a bank ka you chicken ba we can hear that money is there in the bank but when you go to the bank manager will tell you there's no money in the bank wala ka jugo no you charlat ka bang kuma South Sudan ka ko tal yuru ba jekten ne me ngunyo to mo awa kan ka ningi ki kan na civil servant ray wika South Sudan ne me mi je ka long ram kan ne ka chiwo wi go ni yo ba jugo no yo sha ka nan ka bang jeni wi ka bang ba jugo no tal yuru ta ka bang. The minister further said that without salaries teacher is in remote area la Tambura struggle to find food or meet basic needs ray which wal ka Tambura mo ngai ko no to kom dite tena long kam SSPD up kan SPLAIO kan dia le wini mi pala ka bot chicken cap ka yo ko wa ta gare nenten kon tila jitar kirma yadi jena nana to ngode bane de ti kene kume kene kirma yadi ko wala palbo malare ka long ran mi shore klat ka bo monen winimi gojeje ni chele la gadul gor ka dume gadul gor ka dara go barami ni jen ka dongi ji ka dio ki kan wan ka shanki ka di jam ti ke period dang bakel to be nge ke baro ke jeno tele kon bo cham jena ka runwang tele breakfast tele korun wang cham ne wi ngi da kul kan de shikan mon ka kanga ken go yukun ka ka bang ka no kan ka bang tele yo jo me jena dana go rade nyodje ka jo mashalat gwasame teachers are human beings, but if they don't have anything to eat, especially in Tumbura, whereby they don't have a way of getting access to good food, they depend on a small amount that they are receiving. Like now, teachers have gone over 1 year and 5 months without salary, she said. She called on the national government and financial institution to urgently address the issue so that teachers can continue delivering quality education. Kajomu shalade jen nyama raja gwasa me chelade no tije kum South Sudan ngo tobe yo kame teacher nge kama ke kwendie ndana gorkene ko rano wobe chuch rano wobe mon nyo den wo shirama mo chetel long chetel power ni dul gor pon de gang ni je chaje delle bera ma wo gor ka gora daro do gor kwan gwaran we kwan we goten ko national government ko le jogo no ne yo ngona ke shwa ne ka shwa ka kan shwa ti shir shwa ka kan shwa civil servant shwa ka kan yo mu kan yen ka lare je no bi na jogo no shwa lare je wa una ka bang teleka na ma shi ma gwa ma je jo me je ndanan go de lare re wi ka South Sudan chu na da longa tama salary te cha lar no ba to yote ko ne lare wo kuma ba to ba kam civil servant ka kai ni kan ya ta le richa to an biya ta kamal ban jomro dien chuje poro jeno jin bibi deno koken bigagwich ko bitin contract tin bikanga nyaga ne koken kalam na charo to gwas mo biya ta kamal